Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sumi and I'm here with another interesting video. I'm sure you already know what this video is all about because of the title of the video. And yes, I'm going to be making my hair by myself. I've been making my hair by myself for a very long time, and the reason is because whenever I make my hair by myself, my hair tends to grow because I obviously have magic fingers. And then the other reason why I do make my hair by myself is because whenever I go to the salon, they don't really give me what I really want, and that's because my hair is like a very strong type of natural hair. It's very strong and dangerous. So basically, like whenever I'm going to the salon or passing there, they'll be like, this girl don't come. They'll be running away. So the last hair I went to make in the salon, the woman was trying to make it very neat and ended up giving me headache. She like pulled my hair very tightly, and like 2 weeks after I made the hair, I was having like burrs in that pattern that she created, and that side of my hair just ripped off. So it was like very, my hair was really cutting. I was not happy, so I decided to like use this god-given talent. God has given me talent to making my hair by myself, and I'm just wasting it. So I just decided to show you guys what I can do and how I make my hair by myself. So, and most times whenever I make my hair by myself, like it has to like SARS and police has to come and tell me to lose it, because I love like taking it, like carrying it for so long, because the hair will be so beautiful. Just why not? I told you I have magic fingers. My hair will just be so beautiful. I have to like take it. Like, you know how the feeling is when you wear a very beautiful clothes and you feel like the whole world have not seen you. Hair. That's the same thing. When I make my hair myself, I feel like there's still more people that need to see this beautiful hair. So I like to do crochet because it's actually easier for me, and it reduces the stress or the pain I feel in my arms whenever I'm making my hair. So at first I wanted to go for attachment, but when I realized that okay, I will have to go through the stress of like braiding it, cutting it, and then before I start crocheting on my hair, I was like, okay, why don't I go with an easier one? So I decided to go for this locks, Denny sack locks, and they recommended it to me and they were like, it's nice. They said that this one is actually different from the normal locks, because I was thinking that at first I was thinking that these locks shred off like the rest of the locks, but they said it's different. So let's try it out and see. I'm so excited to see how it turns out to be, and I'm sure you are also. So just keep watching and don't skip any part of this video. And also, I'm sure you guys want to see the dangerous hair that I've been bragging about lately. So just brace yourself and hold yourself tightly to see it, because snakes might just jump out and bite you. Can you see? So this is how my hair looks. Very thick. So I did this off camera, but I'm actually going to do the rest of this part in front of you guys so that you can actually see how I did it. So this is how I normally part my hair, yeah, and I make sure it's very straight and neat. So I'm actually going to be doing individual twists like you're seeing right now, and I went for twisting because it's actually very easy and faster for me than making individual braids. Yeah, I don't want stress at all. So when I was making this hair, I was like, oh, more my hair long, because I never foresaw this. I thought like it's not going to be this long and it will not give me stress like that. So actually after that I used this my concussion hair oil that I made. Me, I'm still thinking is what causes my hair to be so strong, but I know that it helped in my hair growth as well, even though my hair has cut very well because of those women, but my hair has actually grown. So I'm going to keep making the hair, and you should keep watching. But if you've come this far, don't forget to click that red subscription button, and don't ask me why I'm talking as if I'm sleepy, because this is like 2 a.m. in the morning. And I decided to do this voice note. But just keep enjoying the video and subscribe, share, comment too, because I really want to know your opinion on this and what you see. What you think about this video, whether you think it's interesting or not. So I decided to fast forward this thing because it was like, oh my, you guys should be so, I was like, you guys should be so bored and seeing me plait my hair, and you guys would just be like, oh my, this girl is so boring. But I decided to fast forward it so that you guys should see how it looks, and it was really looking neat too. Like, I was shocked. I was like, eh? But it's not a new thing. I normally do this kind of things every time. I like making one hair, but this is how it turned out to be. I can't believe I pulled this off because it's like very tiny for me. But then after that, I decided to start crocheting the locks on my hair, and this is how I did that. It was actually very easy for me. Yeah, it was not that hard. So this is how I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to be crocheting everything before I start sewing my hair to the attachments. So just keep watching and see how I did that. The back wasn't easy for me at all because it wasn't easy, just know that. But then the front was easy for me because I could see what I was doing. But like I said, it's not the first time, so I was already used to it, and I was making use of my feel, like sense of touch. Yeah, I was making more use of that to feel or to touch or to know where my hair is and to know where the attachment is, and then crochet it and all of that. So don't say I'm a witch, I beg. I'm not a witch. I was just using my senses that God gave everybody, and you can do that as well. You can use your senses if you want to. Your sense of feel, sorry. So just keep watching. And heat wanted to kill me as I was making these hairs because, like, the Gogolada that heat now, and then I come and put light at my back, so my back was almost burning. It was like was on fire. I was sweating. I was just like rushing, and I don't normally film my hair, like film the process of making my hair, because whenever I'm making my hair, I like to like be comfortable. I like to like stay in awkward positions while I make it. But here I have to sit down, sit upright, and make sure that you guys are seeing me and all of that. So that is it for the video. I had to like stay in a position that you guys should like see and understand what I was doing. Yeah, at this point it was getting very hard. It was getting very, very difficult because I was like bending my neck and my hand. Everything was just getting painful and all of that. So at this point I was now like, heat was now killing me, like double heat. You know when you carry full hair. And I'm not a fan of long hair, so I was like, oh my, if I see you don't make mistake. If I just go carry short hair. But I was just rethinking this thing in my head, So I actually fast forwarded it, and this is how it looks. I was just feeling myself, I find So I'm going to use a thread and a needle, this type of needle, and I'm going to sew my hair to the attachment for every strand of every braid that you're seeing right now. So imagine how long it should take. But I'm going to, this is like the two, and I'm even thinking that this sewing process will take me like 2 more extra days. So and plus all this, like, I can't really just sit down just be sewing my hair for 2 days. So I have other things to do. So I'm going to just, whenever I'm chanced, I will just sew it, but not filming it again. I won't be filming the sewing process. I'll just show you guys the finished look. And I had to off the lights behind me because almost see my sweat. See, I was looking like I just came out from tunnel of fire or something. I was just looking so like my brain wasn't working at this point because the heat was messing with my head. I had to pause this thing. After this like sewing, I had to just stop for the day and I started the next day, but I won't be filming that. So guys, this is like the finished look, and this is like day 3 of the hair, and This is how it looks. I'll go ahead to put some accessories, some hair accessories on it to beautify it. I'm going to put this one. So guys, this is how I look after the whole decorating with the accessories and all of that, and I'm looking so beautiful, and I'm already loving my hair. I'm going to carry this hair for a very long time because I obviously liked it, and I'm not even a fan of long hair, but I just like it like this. Maybe because I packed it like this and it kind of bounces when I shake my head. So I'm actually going to be doing like this while walking. But I'm really loving the hair, and I'm sure you guys are doing same. But I will really want to see or know your opinion on the hair. Leave it down in the comment section what you think about this hair and how you think it is. Do you think I tried? Do you think I did great? Do you think I did rubbish? Do you think I am still learning how to make my hair myself, or do you think I am a pro at it? However you think this hair looks and however you think this whole process looks like, leave it down in the comment section and I will give you a reply. And also, in case you are out of ideas on how to style your individual braids or locks, I'll make a video for you, but you have to let me know in the comment section that you need a video on how to style your individual braids. And that's all for today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.